What's up, y'all? My name's Bill, and this is how I do it. Today I'm coming back at you with another episode of Tiny Engine Tuesday, where we're working on tiny engines of all kinds. Today I'm back working on my Bachtold DR Field and brush mower. It's one of the first iterations of this brush cutter. It's old, it's an oldie, but it's a goodie. But right now what I'm gonna do, my belt has been broken. So, well, it's beat up real bad. It's not really even broken, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this belt out and might help somebody along the way with one of these older brush cutters. It's not much, not many videos and not much information on them, to be honest. So everything I learned about this is pretty much trial and error. So let's get it. All right, so what we gotta do, we got this handle right here that engages the PTO. It's a bolt here we gotta take off. Then it's a shield right here. We gotta take the bolt off of here. And then it's another shield here on the other side of this other pulley. And we gotta take this bolt off right here. So that's all I'm about to do. All of them 14 millimeters. So somebody knew what they were doing when they designed this. So let's get it. Right, take that off. Belt just comes out around there like that. Let's get these off here. All right, take that off. And we gotta pull this back. Then we got access to that. And I can get that out later. And then we can lift that up. And now we got access. Ooh, that belt right there is about broken too. I'm gonna have to replace that at some point. But let me get this belt off, then I can get this belt out of the way. Boom. Out with the old, in with the new. Slide it on this pulley here. And get it around here. Hold on, let me just get it around here first. And then slide it over under here to the big pulley. Boom, just like that. We put this little belt right here back. Come on now, all these bugs, man. Drawback of living in the country, man. All these bugs. And that goes around that. When you pull that, that puts tension on that belt. And boom, just like that. So, technically this is done. Now we might have to make some adjustments, but we'll see once we fire this bad boy back up. But just gotta put everything back together. Oh, there it is. I put my washer back on here. Put our nut back on here. Alright, got that back on. Put our bolt and bracket on right here. So let's do that. Boom, boom, boom. Now we gotta put our other bracket on right here, or our cover and brake. That on. This bolt on. All right. And that's effectively it. So let's see. See that right there? That tightens that and it pulls that. And it acts the PTO. So let's see what we got.
Let's hear it.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you, Sky. Okay, let's hear it.